Imagine you're dropping off your kid to school early in the morning, just like any other weekday, only to find out and receive an email that there's been an emergency situation and your kid needs to go back home immediately, and realize that that school in which your child is studying has received a bomb threat. This was the reality for several parents here in the National Capital Region, in Delhi as well as Noida. Around 100, we're told somewhere near 80 schools in Delhi NCR received a bomb threat mail early this morning. Students were immediately sent home. The bomb squad was called in to avert any mishap, if at all this threat turned out to be real. Now, you had, in fact, the Delhi police involved, the MHA tracking the situation closely, and hours later, it was confirmed that this threat was a hoax and that there was no reason to panic. Let's just round up for you all that happened this morning.
Fire of jihad lit in our hearts. There are many explosives in school. With Allah's permission, we'll send you to flames. We will tear apart your vile bodies. We will tear your throats and mouths. This is the threat letter that around 100 top schools across Delhi and its suburbs received early Wednesday morning, triggering panic among parents and prompting schools to send students home.
An alleged bomb threat call was received early in the morning. Multiple Delhi NCR schools since 5 a.m. has received an email where you can see what the situation right now is. People have come, the parents have come, they're taking their children away. There is Delhi police on spot, there is fire vehicles on spot, they are checking for all security reasons. Multiple such schools have received one email.
The schools received the threats on their official email IDs around 4 in the morning.
स्कूल से मैसेज आया था कि आज अनअवॉइडेबल सिचुएशन की वजह से स्कूल छुट्टी है, तो वी वर नॉट अवेयर कि व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन, कि लेटर ऑन हमें पता चला कि देयर इज अ बॉम्ब थ्रेट इन द स्कूल.
हमें कुछ बताया नहीं गया था, हमें लगा कि अभी ड्रिल थी, क्योंकि अभी ट्यूसडे को हमारी ड्रिल हुई थी उसको लेके इमरजेंसी को, और आज भी ड्रिल हुई, तो आज भी ये बेल बजी, तो हमें लगा कि ड्रिल थी, तो सब इकट्ठा हो गए, और बहुत बाद में पता चला कि ये ड्रिल नहीं थी, सच में कुछ थ्रेट आया था.
दिल्ली पुलिस से हम लगातार टच में थे और दिल्ली पुलिस ने जिन जिन स्कूलों में भी बॉम्ब थ्रेट आई थी वहां पे वो पूरा बॉम्ब स्क्वाड लेके पहुंचे. सारे स्कूलों की एक डिटेल्ड सर्च हुई है. कहीं पर भी किसी भी स्कूल में किसी प्रकार का बम, किसी प्रकार का हथियार, कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो बच्चों के लिए खतरा हो सकती थी, वो कहीं नहीं मिली है.
The Ministry of Home Affairs and Delhi Police said the bomb threat appeared to be hoax and made it clear there was no reason to panic.
हमने अपने तौर पे प्रिकॉशनरी लेवल पे भी और सारी स्कूल चेक कर लिए, किसी में कुछ नहीं है, तो कोई पैनिक होने की कहीं आवश्यकता नहीं है. प्रिकॉशनरी तौर पे भी सारी चेक कर लिए हैं.
Mother Mary School in Mayur Vihar, Delhi Public School in Dwarka, Sanskriti School in Chanakyapuri, Delhi Public School at Vasant Kunj, Amity School in Saket, and Delhi Public School in Noida Sector 30 were among the schools to receive bomb threats via email. India Today has learnt that the emails appear to have been sent from an IP address in Russia. Experts say that it does not mean the messages were originally sent from there, but could have been routed through servers located in Russia. Delhi LG VK Saxena said the police have traced the origin of the hoax bomb emails sent to the schools.
दिल्ली पुलिस ने अभी पता कर लिया है कि ये मेल्स कहां से आ रहे हैं, जांच चल रही है. मैं इतना ही सिर्फ कहना चाहूँगा कि जो कल्प्रिट्स हैं बख्शे नहीं जाएंगे, उनको बहुत सख्त सजा मिलेगी, जिन्होंने भी दिल्ली में अमन चैन को तोड़ने की कोशिश की है.
The threat mails to top Delhi schools put the city on the edge for many hours on Wednesday. With Shreya Chatterjee in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
And I'd like to bring in on this broadcaster Ankit Kumar, who is the editor of India Today's Open Source Intelligence Unit, or OSINT team. Ankit, there's been a lot of talk about this email that's been sent across to 80+ schools in Delhi, NCR, being from Russia. Do you think that, and this is because, of course, that the IP address being traced to Russia, is there a possibility of that actually having emerged from India?
Well, Akshita, the very capable technical teams of Delhi Police are investigating the actual source of this email. What we can tell our viewers is that we at India Today have conducted a primary investigation, a forensic investigation based on the publicly available copy of one of the emails. What we can tell our viewers is that the email that was used, although at the face of it seems like it was used a Russian technology platform, we are absolutely not certain that the email actually came from Russia. There are so many modern solutions available that can change your IP according to your needs. So it is very much possible that the email could have been originated even from India or any other country. What we have also done is we have traced the primary recovery email of the email that was used to send this threat email. And based on that investigation, we can tell our viewers that a temporary email generator service was used. Now, what is a temporary email service? A temporary email service gives you an option to create an email so that you can authenticate your account. Remember, if you are trying to open a Gmail or a Yahoo account, what will you do? You need either a phone number or a secondary recovery email address.
Correct.
In VK's case, you just need a secondary email. We now know that the recovery email was a temporary email. That does not exist anymore. This is the feature of these kind of services. So that we can absolutely...
Okay, all right. Very, very interesting what you're telling us, and clarifying essentially there for our viewers that just because the IP address is Russian doesn't mean the mail has come from there. It could very much be from India. But we leave it to the investigators to find out the source of this particular email. Thanks very much, Ankit, for breaking down all the information that we have at hand and the possibilities of where this email actually originated from. So this is what played out in Delhi's educational institution.